on, everybody? Welcome to Hopewell Furnace State Park. You can see the surrounding area behind us. A lot to explore. They actually got some sheep here, I believe. We were here once before in the cold. It's nice to see it all bloomed and everything. Very beautiful.
Look at this tree.
Beautiful trees everywhere, lots of purple. This place is really something to see. It's a historic place.
It's a national historical site.
Yeah. Look at all these purple trees here. And I guess, you know what? We'll go down and we'll start at the bottom. And there's one of the remnants of the old furnace. And we'll go up and see the backside. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision, because boy oh boy, these purple trees, you could smell them. It smells fantastic. It's definitely spring. Little view of the map here. You could pause if you like to read that. 1853 this was built. It's really a sight to see. And quite picturesque with the purple in the backdrop. It's beautiful. Hopefully there's no glass. I just had to let Chase go. Obviously, some of it eroded away. And I'm assuming that this is probably remnants of what they were making. This is like slag. It's a big, it looks like a rock, but if you feel it, it feels like steel or cast iron. It's actually really amazing. Really cool. I imagine they would just feed it from the bottom. I don't exactly know how they use this. Use this to create steel, I do believe. These here, I guess the map says, Alicia said, were charcoal kilns. Chase, wait up, buddy. Okay.
Can't believe all this purple. It's so neat.
So this is what you would call a charcoal pit. I'll pause here. You can get the details if you like. Again, looking at something like those two large sycamores, they date how long, or, well, you could put a perspective of what it looked like back then, at least with them trees being there, because they were there.
We went down there and
They were there.
picture of Chase in there. Isn't that bird?
No, that's the tree squeaking up there. Like I was saying, that's their little spillway down there, and that runs down to the side of that white building all the way down there. You'll see there's a little water wheel down there. We'll make our way down there and get a better view of it. Actually, you can see the top side of the water wheel right there. I guess I was a little off. It's not the white building. I just love this big old house. Big tree. Massive tree. Sheesh. Very, very big sycamores. This one right here, though, that is one large tree. Man, I'm gonna stay far away with the dogs, but look at the little baby sheeps. Little babies. What happened, bud? Oh, honey, look. There's the baby. Hi, little sheep. Chase, no. I think Mama's a little mad. Trying to protect little baby. How cute. He's such a little shit. Chase, you. I think they got a carpenter bee problem. Quite the view from here. So we're gonna sneak over alongside this white building here. I know from the last time we were here that we can walk around the back and get a better view with that water wheel. But just what a picturesque view of this place from here. So amazing. I mean, to have a homestead like this, I mean, if you ask me, this is better than any $1 million view of ocean shore or skyline, city skyline. I don't want to see it. Although I do love a view of the mountains. I wouldn't mind having that in my backyard either. Yeah, so you see the water actually goes right underneath this building. This is actually an old blacksmith shop. I remember that. You can see the whole water wheel assembly better from this side. Pretty neat. I can get right up, and I remember looking. I thought it was so interesting that you could see the actual workings. Now, I don't exactly know how old this contraption is, but it sure looks like it's got some age to it. Very, very cool. So, you can see this is a little bit of their canal. This is where the water used to come through. Oh my God.
What?
Sometimes things just happen upon you. Look at the size of that black racer. Wow.
Wait, that's a black racer?
That's a black racer. So that right there is a black racer. It's not poisonous. But, boy, that scared me. That's a big snake. You see, he doesn't have a very big head. But his body, he's big. Wow. we're gonna make sure to leave him be. He's got a spider crawling on his back.
Really? Oh, I see it.
So that was cool, seeing the black racer. They're harmless, but quite intimidating, that's for sure. He was a big one. Looked like the sheep got the life out here, plenty to eat, enjoying the weather.
Oh, there's some big horns out there.
What is it?
There's something with big horns out there. See that? Straight ahead.
Oh yes, I do. I don't know if I can get zoom in. I'll try to zoom in and see if I can see it. There's something else out there. I think they're bulls. Let me see if I can get it in zoom. So I don't know if you could see him, but let's see. Straight in front of the camera, you can see his two little white horns there. There's a bull out on the other side of the field. There's actually two. I don't know if you're allowed to walk over here. Did they tell you to stay off the grass or anything? It does right there. It says building closed. What a pretty little landscape. All the grass with these trees. Not even bloomed yet. It's still pretty. I'm assuming this would just be their little gardens that they do in there. But the age to these houses is really extraordinary to me. Again, like I said in the previous video, you look at some places, you could really understand and feel the age of it. That's how I feel here. Anybody gotta go to the bathroom? In January at 6 a.m.? Imagine that. During a blizzard. Alright guys, we're wrapping up another location here. That was quite a lot of walking around. We did the sightseeing thing here for quite some time.
It was a perfect day.
Yeah, we had a really nice time here. We'll probably hang out for a little bit longer just to snap a couple more pictures and then we're gonna head on our way. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you get a chance, come out and experience this place for yourself. You can see behind me, there's plenty to see here. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
Bye.